Begin by laying the 1-inch pre-punched white tubing down the center length of the tunnel. We've included a few extra feet of tubing, so cut off any excess. Next, connect the power lock flush valve to the far end of your pre-punched tubing. Remove the cap until you have flushed the line in step 14. Then, connect a power lock elbow to the supply end of your pre-punched tubing. Use pliers to push each hanging assembly into a pre-punched hole in the tubing. Don't attach the sprinkler heads at this time because you'll need to flush the line first. Using the included cable ties, attach the sprinkler tubing to the center purlin of your Caterpillar tunnel. Use a cable tie approximately every 3 feet. If your tunnel does not have a center purlin, cable tie to each bow. Next, connect the 15-foot piece of black tubing to the supply end of the power lock elbow. Then, cable tie the black tubing to the top half of the end bow. If you have purchased the basic kit without the filter and valve assembly, at this point skip to step 13. Cut the black tubing at the desired height for your filter and valve assembly. Using 2 power lock couplings, connect both ends of the cut black tubing to the filter and valve assembly. Then, use cable ties to attach the tubing and filter and valve assembly to the remainder of the end bow. At ground level, cut the black tubing and attach the second power lock elbow. Next, attach the remainder of the black tubing to the supply end of your power lock elbow and point it in the direction of your water supply. Connect the power lock hose adapter to the supply end of your black pipe and then hook up to your water supply. Begin flushing the main irrigation line by turning on your water supply. Then screw the cap on the end of the power lock flush valve and allow water to flush each base assembly. Finally, attach each spin net sprinkler to a hanging assembly. Your irrigation system is now ready to go. Thank you for choosing the Farmer's Friend Tunnel Irrigation Kit. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or call 931-583-0397.